Every year, smart business people lose six figures not because they made the wrong deal, but because they trusted the wrong tool. Two AI agents are fighting for your workflow right now, and one of them is quietly costing you time, money, and competitive advantage. Curious question. Which one of these agents actually closed a real business task, and which one choked? Stay until the end. The answer will surprise you. We're talking Manus versus Openclaw. Let's get into it. AI agents aren't chatbots anymore. They're autonomous. They browse the web, write code, manage files, and execute multi-step business tasks without you holding their hand. That shift is massive. And for entrepreneurs and business operators, picking the right agent is now a strategic decision, not a tech hobby. Round 1. Autonomy. Manus runs parallel sub-agents. It doesn't wait, it delegates. Send it a business research task, and it spins up multiple agents simultaneously. Result? Faster output. Openclaw works sequentially. More predictable, more controlled, but slower on complex tasks. Round 2. Real-world business tasks. Lead research, contract summarization, competitive analysis. Manus handles multi-step tasks end-to-end. It literally builds its own to-do list and executes it. Openclaw excels in structured workflows where you define the steps. Think of it as a highly skilled executor, but you need to be the strategist. Round 3. Business psychology edge. Here's something nobody's talking about: the psychology of trust. Business leaders don't just need the tool that's smartest. They need the one they can bet on. Manus has high autonomy, which means high variance. It can surprise you in good and bad ways. Openclaw feels safer, more explainable, and in high-stakes decisions. That predictability has real dollar value. Round 4. Cost and access. Manus had explosive demand. Waitlist, server strain. Scarcity created hype, but hype is not a business advantage. Openclaw has steadier access, better enterprise integration, and cleaner API structure for teams building on top of it. Q1. If Manus is so powerful, why isn't every Fortune 500 company using it right now? Q2. And if Openclaw is more reliable, why do operators keep switching away from it? Hold those two thoughts. We're answering both before this video ends. The businessman's mental model. Think of Manus as a brilliant but unpredictable hire. Massive upside, needs oversight. Openclaw is the dependable operator, lower ceiling, but shows up every day. Where Manus wins big, market research sprints, content pipelines, multi-step data pulls, anything that rewards speed and parallelism. Where Openclaw wins big, client-facing workflows, compliance-sensitive tasks, team environments where auditability matters. The hidden costs nobody mentions. Prompt engineering time. Manus needs less hand-holding on complex tasks, which means your team's time cost per task is lower. That compounds. Over 90 days, that difference is measurable in payroll hours. Answer to Q1. Why isn't Manus everywhere? Because enterprise adoption isn't about capability. It's about compliance, security review, and vendor trust. Manus is newer and carries geopolitical scrutiny for US-based companies. That friction is real, and it's slowing adoption regardless of performance. Answer to Q2. Why do people leave Openclaw? Because once operators see what full autonomy looks like, what's possible when an agent actually drives the step-by-step workflow starts to feel like a leash. Ambition scales faster than comfort. Here's the bottom line. Don't pick a tool, pick a strategy. If you're moving fast and building aggressively, Manus. If you're scaling a team and need reliability, Openclaw. And if you're smart, you test both. Measure the output and let the data decide. That's what Tradefixa is built for. Real decisions, real data, no hype. Drop a comment, which agent is your team running right now? And if this gave you an edge, subscribe. We're just getting started.